Hello and welcome back to the Dennis Diaries. We are Jack and Eleanor, a Welsh couple from West Wales. And this is our dog that we rescued all the way from Spain, Cooper. Now, a couple of years ago, we bought an old airport bus and we have been turning it into our dream home. Now, what is a dream home without a lovely fireplace? We designed and built this area in the bus and laid these gorgeous tiles, and now all we're missing is a log burner. We found one on Facebook Marketplace for only £80 and now we need to bring it back to life.
Mic of the check, Michael check. This is the microphone check. Hello, is this one working too?
Sort of, yeah.
Carry it out, okay.
Stick them up there.
How?
Beep, 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 beep.
How the heck are we going to do that?
With great difficulty.
I haven't got my strong gloves. Look at my hand, that looks so bad. That needs to get gone.
Potentially stick them on because you'd be warm.
Strong gloves.
I don't know about strong gloves. They might make you a bit weaker actually. But
They might just slip straight off.
that's what I was thinking. But that's all you've got. I'm
Why is
afraid.
it wet?
That's WD-40. I need to get
on
that
the
cap
bottom.
off.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Stop there.
You need to walk quicker then.
I'm walking on my feet.
Because I'm trying to walk as quick as possible. Ah!
Ta-da! Posh. Mean efficiency 85%. Batman, well done. You strong. Okay. Do you want to film me getting the right tools or should we just get them? I'll just get them.
Because he's gloves. I feel like a Power Ranger. It's cold. Where's my coffee? Where'd you... Oh, it's up there.
Okay.
Oh, not enough with you, Coop.
Keep your fingers away from that.
Is that the point? Do I need gloves? I mean glasses?
I can get you glasses.
We haven't taken any pictures.
I'm going to get you a mask as well.
That's what I was asking for, yeah, that's what I
These are
meant.
glasses.
Same.
They're not closing. Oh, it is.
Right, pause, I need a way.
But the difference is huge.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
The size there, and you've got a bigger head than I have. So.
Well,
Yeah.
I do have a bigger head.
Stick that on the back
On your shoulders.
and tie that bad boy on.
Okay. Oh my gosh. How the heck?
I know, right?
How am I going to get this on yet? Oh, I don't like it. Oh, it reminds me of being at fire school. Where do these go? All around?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like it. It's going to give me quite
You're very used to it in a minute. But it's safer than... You don't want to be inhaling rust.
What is it? Uh-oh.
That's it. Yeah, beautiful. Sin luck. Have a look. Very nice.
I do feel like I'm going to go into a burning building.
Yeah. Can you feel it seal? So when you breathe in, can you feel it here? Does that stop it?
Yeah.
Good, that means it's sealed. Get your gloves on so you don't hit that. That's thingy.
Oh.
This when it's spinning. I've got this to get into any of the extra nooks, look, but that's why you don't want to be breathing it in, see?
What is that?
It's rust.
What is
But-
that?
It'll come off. With the spinning, depending on the direction, it's going to want to drag you up. I think so. You might actually have to position. Just try not to cover these vents too much because it'll kill them down. Do you want me to take that back off, or do you want to do the satisfying bit of getting all the shit off it? Yeah. Doesn't matter which way you go.
So you can't
Yeah, just
see
loosen
it.
it off.
What am I doing?
Hold the trigger, yeah,
Yeah.
and try not to let it run up the drill, run up the thing and smash you in the face.
It's stuck.
It's not stuck. Right, drill 101. If it's in the centre, it's locked. Push in from the right hand side, right tighty. It works. Push in from the left, lefty loosely. Righty tighty. Pull the trigger, you should be good to go. Make sure it stays on drill setting as well, which is the one with the drill in. Yeah. You need full speed. Better.
Is this right? I don't think so. I feel like I'm just making lines in it. Is that right? Is that right?
Yeah, and then you just blend them in a bit. Keep it going.
Is it like...
Keep it moving.
Oh, it's not up and down.
Doesn't matter.
Oh,
So after a while, you just blend it in. Like.
oh okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was up
At the minute, we
down.
just got to get all the crap off it.
Okay.
See attitude, like.
Right, let me go top.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Looks good, though. You know. It's amazing, isn't it? That will come up very clean.
Sure.
Um,
Right, are you ready? So is that literally just going to come up clean?
yeah. What I've got to do, the reason it's wet, I'm going to take that.
Oh, I'm a bit too short for this. Ooh. Do I need goggles? Do I need goggles? Yes, please. Going to my eyes. I have an itchy nose. Oh no. Get them on my feet. Yeah. Do I have to wear the gloves? Do I have to wear the gloves?
You don't have to, just don't touch the spinny bit.
I can't. I've just got no grip. Am I doing the circle bit in the middle? The plate? Am I doing the circle bit in the middle?
Yeah, it still needs to be done, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it all needs to be done.
Okay. Going back in. Shut up. Okay. Sorry, Cubs, it's for your own safety. Look away! Oh, I don't care anymore. Okay. What does this do? Oh, is that for those bits? Gotcha. Please! Coffee, please! You haven't even seen me. You're not even saying well done.
Sorry?
You're not even saying well done.
I did, they just didn't hit my end.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
Fabulous.
Thank you. My hand. Hurt. I don't like that it does that. I want a coffee. Ta-da! Ish. I couldn't reach the bottom, but thanks.
Can I pinch this?
What?
Dylan Owen Pottery. Very good. My daily driver.
Oh yeah.
Thanks.
Drink. It's good, eh?
Help me!
Oh.
Help me! Better than me.
I gotta be on stage tonight. It's hard to get those bits without it flying away. Oh, there's a f***ing fly in my drink.
What's that?
There's a fly in my drink.
Already?
You can do it flat. I didn't know you could do it flat.
I'm going to do it always. I tend to get in the corners on an angle, and then for bigger areas,
Well, why was I doing it the other way then?
less aggressive that way, but polishes more.
Okay.
It should come up shiny like that.
Nice.
And then we block it. But it still look lovely. Good as fire. Well done. Smash.
Dominic, that's heavy. Quick, take him. I like doing the satisfying parts.
Yeah.
Ew, why is that wet?
That would be condensation from you breathing.
No, that's gross. Oh.
It's actually a really good neck. Brilliant.
I know. Oh, it looks set now. Car boot tomorrow. Is it car boot season? Should we go to car boot? Let's talk about it then. I don't know. Let's see. Huh? Lovely.
Move it in. Go for it. Come. See as it's kind of drying, it's not staying black, it's going black to metallic kind of.
I mean, it doesn't need to be perfect.
No.
It's rustic.
I mean, for 80 quid,
Yeah,
a
exactly.
bit of elbow grease. It's really not bad. The difference. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. Just gotta give him a little boom. Oh.
Potatoes.
Ska vi se? Den kommer gå sönder här. Give him a little boom. Oh, det var gott.
Shock your threads. Your threads will shock you. Oh snap. Yep. And then the next big expense is fucking fueling.
Yeah.
Go big install rope. What does it look like? You want to see through it?
Looks smashed, that's fine.
Look, finger tight only.
Scary.
I got my nails. I don't want to do it. Just go willy-nilly for the sake of that. He says,
Okay.
Sorry then.
Whoopsie daisy, hinges are the wrong way around.
Well, only one.
That one needs to go.
That's plenty tight enough. So,
That's really annoying me. That's not good, is it? Oh, I didn't realise. No, that looks nice actually, the silver. Let's clean it a bit. Yay!
sticks out really far, but I think that's actually the finish of it.
That's the charm. Go and get his hat. Thunder's got his hat on. Go on, put them on. Wow. Look at that. What do you think?
Do you remember when that looked awful?
Yeah, I do.
Back in the day.
I mean, it looked good and then it looked awful and then it looked good again.